Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Dundee, Florida? Introducing Dumpster Depot, your premier destination for efficient waste management solutions. We understand the importance of streamlined operations and clean environments for any project. That's why we are committed to excellence and customer satisfaction, and offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to meet your needs. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a commercial construction site, or planning an outdoor event, our dumpsters are designed to handle any project, big or small. Our knowledgeable team is dedicated to providing personalized service and expert advice to ensure you choose the right dumpster for your project. When renting from Dumpster Depot, you can expect prompt delivery and efficient pickup services tailored to your schedule. Join countless satisfied customers who rely on Dumpster Depot for their waste management needs. Choose us for reliable dumpster rental services that support your project goals while maintaining the beauty and cleanliness of Dundee, Florida. Ready to experience hassle-free dumpster rental? Contact Dumpster Depot today at 863-330-0133 or visit us online at www.dumpsterdepot.usa.com. Dumpster Rental Dundee, Florida to learn more and reserve your dumpster. Dumpster Depot, your partner in efficient waste management.